drive with fire extinguisher on the old cars. Yeah, so that's why they're showing that they have it. It's probably a requirement. Cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beep, beep.
I'd like to introduce you my son, Colin, Little Rebel. He's going to play 3 songs with us. We're going to try to thank you so much. Little Rebel.